fingered freak here. And as you know, guys, today I'm gonna taste test this Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot. Oh yeah, baby. Now, this is an extremely limited edition, like almost all of the Mountain Dew flavors, and I've been looking for this one for a while, and I finally found it, and I was so excited. So today, I'm gonna crack it open. It's a beautiful day, very sunny, very hot. So, what's better than a hot summer day with a flaming hot Mountain Dew? That's right. So, without further ado, let's crack this baby up. I'm gonna taste test it, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. Here we go, baby. Oh yeah. That's a little homage to my buddy Badlands Chug. Enough talk. Oh. Yeah, alright. So after the first sip, it's sweet and hot, which is surprising to me because I didn't expect that. But yeah, when you sip it, when you taste it, it is sweet like any other Mountain Dew. Nice orange flavor, orange lime, I guess, flavor. But after that, when you swallow it, yeah, you can feel the burn in your throat, which is cool. It's like sweet and sour, if you will, or sweet and hot at the same time. So hey, that's cool. Woo! Well, that feels good, man, because it's super hot here today. Hot summer day. It's about between 30 and 35 degrees Celsius here. I have to admit that I'm very, very surprised about how this Mountain Dew goes down. Like I said, I expected it to be hot, like when you eat, like, let's say a hot sauce or a hot pepper, you put it in your mouth and it's instantly hot and your tongue burns and all that. But with this, now, when you taste it, it really, really is sweet and, pleasant orange flavor. But in the throat, though, holy shit, yeah. I'm thirsty, man. Less talking, more drinking. The freak way. Burp-wise, it's pretty damn good, too. Woo! I'm starting to think that this is not such a hot idea. I mean, drinking a flaming hot Mountain Dew on a flaming hot day like today might not have been the best idea, but what the hell? I got only 4 fingers and only one life to live. What do you think burp-wise, guys, so far? Woo. That is one hot burp, baby. Oh yeah, I could feel it burning in my throat coming up. Now, I think it's the saliva's so hot, it's coming up in my mouth. I'm halfway through, and my tongue's starting to burn. Whoa, yeah. Wow. Okay, so here's another thing. The more you drink it, the hotter it gets. The first few sips were not that bad, but now, as you can see, I'm like 3/4 of the way down. Whoa, and mama, woo, it's starting to be hot here, man. Whoa. All right, we're gonna finish this bad boy up and give it a score. Mountain Dew. Flaming hot, baby. Hey, that was pretty damn good burp, eh? Woo. Yeah, baby. This bad boy, I don't know if you can see it. This bad boy has 280 calories. Now that is a shitload of calories in one bottle, dude. As one of my buddies told me recently, it's diabetes in a bottle. But the freak has survived much, much worse than that. Diabetes, I don't give a shit about you. All I care about is my Mountain Dew and my comics and my guns. And that's all there is to say about that. Oh yeah, baby. One more sip and we're done. And that's it, baby. All right. So, woo, my throat is quite hot right now. Wow. All right. So again, Mountain Dew, flaming hot, sweet to taste, hot in the throat at the beginning, and the more you drink it, the more the heat goes up and up and up in your mouth. Overall, I'm gonna give the Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot a 4 out of 4 fingers. That's right, baby. Burp-wise, as you heard, it did the job. Nice orange flavor, sweet and hot. I mean, guys, if you can find it, buy it, taste it, tell me what you think. Anyway, I will see you next time. This is your pal, the Fabulous Four-Fingered Freak, saying, keep on drinking, baby.